The mysterious case of a dead body being delivered to a house in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh has been solved by the West Godavari district police within just about a week. What we understand is that the dead body has been identified as one belonging to Barre Parlaya, a 47-year-old coolie. And what had happened is that Haimavati had complained to the police that on the 19th of December in the evening at around 4:45 p.m. a parcel was delivered at her home, and when they opened the wooden crate, they found a decomposed body inside. In fact, it started smelling foul, but because someone had said that they would be sending electrical appliances and other goods for a house that was being constructed by her elder daughter Tulasi, that's the reason they accepted the parcel and opened it to find a deceased body. Her second son-in-law had offered to hide the body, but the family of Haimavati and her daughter Tulasi decided to complain to the police. After they complained to the police, in fact, Sridhar Verma went missing, and that's why the police got even more suspicious. The story goes that Haimavati has two daughters, Revati and Tulasi. Tulasi's husband had abandoned her and gone away in 2012, and she has a daughter as well. And in this parcel with the dead body, there was a letter, ransom letter that came saying that her husband had borrowed about 3.5 lakh rupees in 2006, and that he had taken it at an interest rate of 3% and had failed to repay it, and that the family must now repay as much as 1 crore and 35 lakh rupees. If they do not do so, this was supposed to be some kind of a fear-inducing, coercion-inducing, threatening letter. Subsequently, investigations revealed that there could be a family dispute between the two sisters, and what the police have now found is that the younger sister Revati, who had married this Sridhar Verma as a second husband, he has a first wife as well, that they had conspired to make Tulasi give up on a piece of land that belonged to the father of the two women, and that's the reason why they had conspired to make her go away from the property. What was also important is that they had made a woman called Sushma call her up and promise help from the Kshatriya Sangam for building of a house, and she had in fact, because of disputes with the family, started living separately and was building her own house, and tiles and paint had been delivered earlier in this similar manner through a parcel, and it is the third parcel that had brought this dead body. Subsequently, investigation has revealed that Barre Parlaya, the deceased, was in fact hired by Sridhar Verma as a coolie and subsequently strangulated and killed. And on the 17th of December, he was killed and his body was put inside a car dicky, hidden there. And on the 19th is when they had delivered this body. But now the husband, Sridhar Verma, has been declared as accused number A1, and accused number A2 is Sushma, the woman, Kshatriya woman, or claiming to be a Kshatriya society woman, who had conspired to send the threatening letter, and A3 is the wife Revati, or the sister of Tulasi and the daughter of the complainant Haimavati.